Hi everyone. So I thought I'd give you a bit of an update video of what's actually happening in the present and in the future with this channel, and obviously the raffle templates that a lot of you have seen, a lot of success with, and what's next for that. So I suppose in the present we're going to be doing a 20% off Black Friday event right up until the start of December. So that gives you two weeks. So yeah, 14 days from the day I'm recording this. It has been live for a couple of days just to make sure that everybody gets in. I don't release this video, and some people miss out on that kind of thing. So the main thing coming up in the future are, well, two things. So there's going to be a major updates coming in January. That'll be styling updates that will not only be available to new users who buy the template, but also anybody who's purchased it in the past. There's going to be two different videos. One for obviously new users going through the whole process again, and the next is for people who have already set up their website and they're looking to upgrade to include a couple of these features. Now, I will give you a quick sneak peek of one of those features. Now, I'll just get this up for us. So if we go back, this is obviously the website you're all very familiar with by now, I'm sure. Uh, one of the features is going to be down here. So as you can see at the minute, we have the entry date and the draw date. I've seen it in a few places. It'd be great to have the countdown timer, and it's actually being requested by a few people. So to have the countdown timer right above here, and that'll look something like this. I know I've blurred the rest of this website out. It's just a development website at the moment. So you can see here that the time remaining is going to be viewable on all of the competition cards, giving people, the exact date and time, what's ending soonest, because a lot of these people are impatient and just want to, win something today. So that's what's going to go on there. Obviously, we have Spot the Ball and all the rest of the new plugins that have been available for a couple of months now. But also, I want to focus on a lot of maybe marketing content. I know a lot of you out there, once you've got the website up and running, what can we do to really maximize your presence online? And, are you making use of all the social media platforms and email marketing and, everything under the sun? Not only that, I haven't asked them yet, but I do want to get someone who's had success in the competition industry and have a chat with them, almost like an anonymous um, podcast of sorts, just to go through exactly, what are the ups and downs. Nothing really, not just all the good things about this industry, but also what can go wrong, what's the best way to go about things and marketing, and the list is endless. But maybe that will give you some insight to a successful competition website that's doing very, very well, like a lot of you are. So because this work is all going to be done over the kind of the next 6 to 8 weeks, definitely in the comments below, just let me know, what would you like to see? What would you want in the next updates to these raffle websites? Video ideas, anything you like. I've got a few of my own that I'm going to be trying, and they'll be coming to this channel a lot sooner. I've just cleared up probably one of the biggest projects of my life so far, building a online property auction for a client. Now that's basically taken up the last 3 or 4 months of my life. So it's good to get back in the saddle for competition websites, and see them go strength from strength again. Because we all know there's a massive pickup when it comes to the start of the new year. People just love to enter these things and see people win. And do make
All right.
sure to make use of the Black Friday discount, because it'll only be on for another 2 weeks. And the last time I done this was last Black Friday. I don't like to do these discounts so often. All right. Anyway, cheers.